1968 Datsun 520 pickup truck restoration underway. Today is Wednesday, so I am giving an update on my restoration progress. Before we get started, I wanted to thank everybody who has stayed with me throughout this project. You know I've given myself a deadline of September the 15th, and since the time I gave myself this deadline, it has been a hard road to hoe. I'm trying to get this project done within that time period. I have had quite a few subscribers join recently, and I wanted to welcome everybody aboard. A few of you have hit the buy a part button, and I want you to be reassured that your money is being well spent on this pile of junk. So thanks everybody, it's Tuesday night. Let's get on with the update. I am your host, the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee without a doubt. Cutting, welding, and grinding all week long. I underestimated how long it was going to take to repair the floors on this truck, but I'm going to show you where we're at with it. I put all these patches in here. And you guys, I think, saw this corner on last week's Sunday video. And this is how far I got along with the floor. Almost done on this side. There's a spot right there. I'm just going to have to put a little sliver or whatever. There's spots like this. See, like this. I put this piece in here because I got this angle off. So I just cut it and put a strip in it. It'll just make it stronger. Here's another little spot. So this isn't going to be perfect, obviously, but it's going to be very solid and very strong. I wanted to give you guys a view of underneath the truck, and here it is. See, I've got just brackets, and I should have maybe put a straight plate all the way up in this and then built off of that out like that. But anyways, it's solid and ugly, but I'm going to clean it up some. Should be all right. And keep in mind, I've said it many times before, that this cab is only going to be used temporarily, maybe for a year or two. And the reason why is because I'm going to be restoring this cab and this bed while I'm driving the truck. If you are new to the channel and you're wanting a better understanding of what's going on here, I have a playlist, about 26 videos on this truck restoration. Check them out. I guarantee some of you guys have done this before. I was welding along and a piece of slag comes off and attaches to my wedding ring. Of course, my ring's so tight I can't get it off. Haven't been able to get it off for years. So it just smolders my little finger there, and that hurts. Something kind of cool I picked up for 20 bucks, this camper top. And you're probably wondering why I bought this catastrophe. And the main reason is for these windows. I love these old style windows, but when I bought this camper top, I'm thinking about duplicating this camper basically. I don't really like the step down. This luggage rack is cool, but I'll kind of tell you what I mean. And of course, there's always a cat around here. Right, kitty? My original plan was to use this camper top and extend it to make it fit, and it needs to be narrowed to make it fit. And I was going to use these windows that I just bought from that old camper and put them here on the side. But I really like the style of that other camper, that old one. So I'm really thinking about, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just use this one, put the old windows in there, or should I build a whole new one like this one that I bought over here? I really am leaning towards just building one like this because it's so cool looking. I wonder if I can use some of the aluminum siding off of this one too, I'm hoping. I also been looking for an old camper, like maybe a dilapidated one that somebody wants to, I don't know, give away, or I could buy real dirt cheap. That way I could use the aluminum siding on it. I am really hoping the differential seals come in so I can rebuild that and make a video on that. Cut, welding, grinding floors and metal is just not exciting to me to videotape or to post. In my opinion, you guys can tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, and tune in Sunday. Hopefully I'll be there in the morning.